Renee. And as a result of the wintry weather, plenty of potholes have popped up on the roads. They form after water seeps into the pavement. Then temperatures drop and the water freezes and expands. When the weather warms up, the ice melts and it leaves bubbles in the asphalt that pop and crumble when our cars drive over them.
Those potholes may feel a bit like raindrops today. They are everywhere. The Tennessee Department of Transportation says it's doing all they can to manage the problem. They are patching as fast as they can. This is some videos of crews working, and they're urging drivers to use caution. One thing we've got to pay attention to is the risk that they're putting themselves in to make sure we're safe.
So with more on the potholes, 10 News reporter Krista Lucas joins us out on our weather porch. Krista?
Robin, John, in a matter of just a few days, Tennessee went from snow and ice to heavy showers. TDOT says precipitation and traffic affect the roads and can create more potholes.
Matthew Wu was heading back from Scott County after some fun time with the family.
I was on my way back to New York, getting on I-75. You can't see due to the dark and the rain. And apparently there's a car-sized pothole that took out my car and about 15 others.
TDOT says right now a small crack in the road can grow.
You have the freezing and thawing cycle along with all the precipitation and all the vehicles that are going over our roadways.
Crews are patching the roads every day, but TDOT says it's temporary.
The pothole that our crews will go over one day, they may end up going over that same exact pothole only a few days later, depending on the traffic and depending on how much precipitation that we get.
Dustin Harbin, manager of Legends Auto and Fleet, says potholes can do a lot of damage.
You can break a belt in a tire. That'll cause a goose egg, as you will, to kind of come out on the side of the tire. You can puncture a tire. You can break a rim, bend a rim.
It can be expensive.
Tires these days can be anywhere from $100 to $300 a tire. A rim for a used rim, probably looking $200 to $300 possibly.
Matthew's visit at the farm outside the city came with a big price tag.
So 2 tires is going to cost me about $1,200 to replace.
And if time is money...
Normally I'd hope to arrive tonight by 5 o'clock, but now I'm not going to get home until about 1 in the morning.
If a pothole damages your tire, you can file a report with the State Division of Claims Administration to see if you qualify for reimbursement. For details on how to file a claim, check WBIR.com. Back to you.
Krista Lucas with a problem that will be ongoing the next few weeks. Thank you, Chris.